Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a bag that came all the way from Sweden. And I am super excited. I think it's something that I purchased on Etsy, but honestly, I don't remember what it is. How sweet. It says thank you, Tammy, on that side, and then there's a thank you on the inside. I do know what it is, and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, so it's really cutely wrapped. Cutely. I had to get this. So I did order this as soon as I saw it. Oh my goodness, and she gave me a little goodie, it looks like, and I just dropped it on the floor. Oh my goodness, how sweet. Thank you for supporting my small business, Design by Yvonne Art on Etsy. And she gave me a little stitch marker and a little candy and a little button and another stitch marker and a tea. How sweet. Oh, this looks like peppermint tea. I do like peppermint tea. And these stitch markers are very nice. I know a lot of people think that this is their favorite stitch marker. These are not my favorite ones, but I do really like them, so super nice. So here's her business card. Can you see that? That doesn't seem like it's focusing. Design by Yvonne Art on Etsy. It is, it's a beautiful business card. It's kind of metallic, so maybe that's why it's not picking up very well, but there, I think that might be a little better. I just had to angle it. Okay, so yeah, nice tea, peppermint and licorice. I don't like licorice. I don't know if I'll like that or not, but I will try it and see. I'll try it when a friend is here, or I'll take it to a friend's and we can try it, and if I don't like it, then she can have it. I love this little button. How cute. Okay, well, that's not even what I got. I'm all excited about that. Look at the cute ribbon. It says handmade. And are you seeing this print on the project bag? Oh my goodness. I don't even know if they're pigs or dogs or owls. I think they're dogs. I think they're like pug dogs. I don't even care. They're so stinking cute. Oh, and I know it's kind of Valentine-y. Look, it even has a heart and a tassel on the zipper. And it's a YKK zipper. Oh my goodness. And look at the inside. Oh my goodness, these are so nice. The inside has these hearts and flowers and has a pocket here. And then I know I saw a little metal D-ring, yes, or O-ring. Right here, there's an O-ring attached so that you can attach whatever you need to on it. That is so cool. And it's just on a little tape measure tassel or ribbon. It's so cute. What do people attach to these? I was trying to remember just a second ago and now I forget. I don't know, but I know that there are things that you can attach to these. You can even attach stitch markers to them so that you'll have those. But oh my gosh, I could attach these things to them. This is such a cute bag, and it says designed by Yvonne. Or let me say it again. Designed by Yvonne Art is the name of the company. This is so cute and well made. And it has a nice strap that is removable with a cool little, I don't know what you call those kind of clips, but a clip and a wrist strap. And it is probably, I would consider this a medium sized, medium to large sized, or maybe even I would maybe call it, I would probably call it a big medium. And I am loving it. Oh my gosh, this pattern is so cute. Love, love, love it. And I tell you what, people on Etsy are so kind and they're so good. I mean, this came from Sweden. How cool is that? I just love that we can purchase things from everywhere. And I love all of these things, and I mean, all of the little details and the fun that she put into it was just amazing. So thank you very much. I cannot wait to continue to look at your shop. And I hope that I send other people there. So if you go, tell them that TT.Scraps sent you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.